Hello, welcome to week 1. This week I want us to learn a little bit about the history of positive psychology and see how it fits into the history of thought in philosophy and in psychology. I'm going to have you read chapter 1 in Positive Psychology in a Nutshell, which is very short, and to supplement, all our book chapters are very short. So I'm going to be supplementing all throughout this class with other videos and with other articles that you can read to learn more. I'm going to have you read chapter 1 and then watch several videos. The first 3 videos that you'll watch will take you about an hour and a half, and they're going to talk about philosophical and psychological underpinnings of positive psychology. You'll hear about Aristotle and his theories about how people can achieve a happy life. This is one of the things that positive psychology is rooted in, especially the Western American style of positive psychology. In another class, we're going to talk about mindfulness and Buddha's teachings and how those relate to positive psychology and living a happy life and a good life. Your book talks about, and I love this phrase, the great art of ordinary living. And that's really what this semester is about. We're going to be looking at all kinds of ways that we can increase our abilities to live a beautiful, happy life. So first 3 videos are on history of philosophy and history of psychology. Then the next 2 videos are on the scientific method and psychology and the research methods in psychology. Those 2 videos are from the Hartness Library, and I think you'll find them very helpful, and they'll just be a good guidance for you as we go through some of the scientific writing that we're going to be looking at in some of the supplementary articles. Want to make sure that you know the difference between an experiment and a correlation. Those are 2 different kinds of methods of statistical analysis that you can use to look at behavior and data and figure out how things are related. A correlation shows relationships between things, but it doesn't show causation. Experiments are a good way of actually showing causation. So that's one of the big takeaways I want you to take. I'm going to have a study guide for you to use while you watch the videos, and the things that are on the study guide are also going to be on your quiz for the week. So make sure that you take notes, use the study guide as you go through and watch the videos, and then at the end, take the quiz. Basically, you're just going to be using your notes to answer the questions on the quiz. We'll also have a discussion forum to start off. I'm going to use something called Talking Stick, and in Talking Stick, I want you to start a discussion, talk about what you know already, what you want to know. And for this first week, I just want us to introduce ourselves. You can use video. You do not have to type. You can use video if you find that more interesting and fun. I am finding that I really like that as a way of seeing what other people have to say. It's kind of nice to put in a transcript too, or some kind of written thing as well. So put in a little bit in writing, and then if you want to put a video introduction, feel free to do that. Okay, thank you.